College ruled paper. It has 54,221 search volume and competing products are only 470. You can also see this is a decomposition notebook. 70,000 search volume and competing products are 254 only. Okay, marble composition notebook. 420 competing products, 34,000 search volume, and magnet IQ score is 81,000. 3 subject notebook college rule, 27,000 search volume, 881 competing products. Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I will show you how to use the Helium 10's magnet tool to find a lot of low competition niches. So you can see here I have typed composition notebook and then I am searching related niches for composition notebook. If you haven't watched my previous video, in my previous video I have talked about finding your competitors low competition keywords using the Cerebro tool under Helium 10. But in this video I will show you how to find low competition niches or sub niches under a main topic or main niche using Helium 10's magnet tool. If you come here over to keyword research, under keyword research you will find this tool, magnet tool. Okay, once you click here you will be here on this search bar. Here you will type a simple keyword. I have typed composition notebook because I am interested in finding niches related to composition notebook. So you can see here search volume is 75,792, and here you can click on the graph and you can see the historic data. As you can see here, it is very high during August and September, and then it gradually decreases its demand, then again it rises when there is a back to school period. So it's very obvious. You can also click on the all time to see the all time data, and you can clearly see the increased demand in August and September, and again here in August 2020, and now it's increasing again in 2021. This is the graph that shows the demand of keywords over time. So I have searched this composition notebook and then applied some filters. Like first filter I have applied search volume 100 at least, and the competing products are 1000 at max. The third filter I haven't applied yet, so you can also apply the third filter, but at the time I haven't applied this third filter. You can see here total number of keywords is over 6,000. By applying these two filters we are now left with low competition keywords of 1094. Okay, you can see here if we sort it by search volume descending order, you can see here the first one is very common keyword, primary composition notebook, and it has over 1000 competing products and search volume is huge. That's why magnet IQ score is very huge. Magnet IQ score is the search volume as compared to competing products. So this was very new to me, decomposition notebook. I think that is notebook created from already recycled paper or used paper. That's what I could understand about. This had huge demand, but it has very low competition. You can search it, and you can also create this one, decomposition notebook. Okay, next is college ruled paper. Magnet IQ score is very high, search volume is very high, again 54,000, and competing products are 470 only. Okay, this is marble composition notebook, and it has 34,000 search volume and it has 420 competing products. There are a lot of keywords here like primary composition notebooks K2. These are actually niches under composition notebook. So paper and marble print media, Japanese notebook, another very good niche. That might be Japanese handwriting practice paper related to that. Okay, 18,900 search volume and 750 competing products. Graph note, 16,000 search volume and 239 competing products only. Left hand notebooks, 16,000 and 255 competing products only. These are the 3 subject notebook wide rule, 5 subject wide rule. I first time saw these keywords. These are also very low competition keywords. Okay, graph composition notebook, very good IQ score. Again, decomposition notebook spiral. So I will exclude the spiral. You can go here and type spiral. These keyword phrases will be excluded. You can also type here some brand names to exclude keywords of that names, brand names. Okay, in this way you can find a lot of related niches are low competition niches by typing the main idea, and Magnet is pulling the relevant keywords to your keywords or niches to your main seed keyword. College ruled notebook paper, 383 competing products only. Marble notebooks, mini notebook, wide ruled composition notebook. Okay, a lot of niches, over 1000 niches are here. So let's try something else. I have already done this. I tried just journal here, and you can see here 293,000 searches in Amazon, over 18,000 keywords, and you can also see here the word frequency, what keywords has been used the most. Notebook has been used 1,248 times, then composition. Okay, you can click on this keyword and this will apply and filter here. Like if I click on notebook, it will apply a filter and it will show the keyword that include notebook as well. I have already added one filter, that is competing products, only 1000 max. And then the second filter I have applied under advanced filters is show phrases that contain notebook. So after applying these two filters, I am left behind with over 1200 keywords, and these may be quite same as the composition notebook, as the niche is this almost the same. A no content niche, mini notebook, 1000 competing products, and search volume is very high. So you can create a notebook of 4 into 6 inches and name it as mini notebook in title or subtitle. So lab notebook, very good search volume and very less competing products. Dotted notebook, just 1000 competing products and search volume is very high. So that's why Magnet IQ score is high as well. So notebook with dividers, graph notebook, spiral, Laskin notebook, marble notebook, primary notebook, 4000 search volume, over 4000 search volume, and competing products are 465. Here is another very good niche or keyword, 100-page composition notebook. Okay, you can literally add this into your title, but before adding this into your title or subtitle, do a trademark research as well. 100-page composition notebook, 4200 search volume, and the competing products are 628. Okay, A4 notebook, very good niche again. Purple notebook. Okay, who thought of that? Purple notebook, I haven't thought of that. Okay, 1000 competing products, 3000 search volume, over 3000 search volume, and now handy dandy notebook, maybe a brand name. Kindergarten composition notebook, 400 competing products, only 3200 search volume, and Magnet IQ score is 8000. Yellow notebook, very good niches here. You can do the same for coloring books, for activity books. Just type the main keyword here and apply some filters like I have done, and you will be presented with a lot of low competition niches here. So let's try a coloring book. Okay, and I have already done this research, so it's showing the previous history. So it is loading. You can see here over 50,000 search volume for this keyword, coloring book, and there are 15,498 keywords. These are one of the best selling products. These are the more frequently used keyword: adult, book, kids, color, adults. If we click on one of the keywords, it will apply the filter here. So before applying this filter, I would like to apply some more filters like search volume minimum 100, maximum competing products 1000, and then click on apply. Okay, so we have 2393 results. So do this one more filter, coloring book, here again, and the results will be refined now. So we have coloring book, and that keyword should also contain a coloring book in it. So creepy coloring book, sorted by volume first. Stoner coloring book, I don't know what this is. Search volume 29,511 and competing products are 1,000. Dinosaur coloring book 1,000, competing products around 6,000. Search volume adult coloring book markers, horror coloring book, water coloring book. These are all low competition niches in under coloring books. And jumbo coloring book, Disney mystery coloring book. But stay away from the brand names. Do your trademark research even if the keyword appears to be normal or non-branded. But to be on safer side, you need to do the trademark check before using a keyword into title and subtitle, even in the backend. Adult coloring book spiral bound. We are not interested in spiral bound, so skip the spiral word. Okay, few keywords will be removed here. 943. A lot of keyword. 90s stoner coloring book reverse. Very interesting topic here. In this type of notebook, the coloring is already done and the end user had to add the lines. This is the reverse coloring book. Okay, tattoo coloring book for adults. Hello Kitty coloring book. It may be a brand name, Hello Kitty. Okay, wheat coloring book. I haven't heard of this. Frozen coloring book. Crayola. This may be a brand name. I think this is brand name. Creepy Kawaii coloring book. Very good niches here. My Little Pony coloring book, Barbie coloring book, Grey's Anatomy coloring book, Bluey may be a brand. Pastel Goth coloring book, Magic Ink coloring book, Bratz coloring book, Mastery coloring book. A lot of niches you can find using this magnet tool and applying these simple filters. So that is it. I wanted to share with you. By using Helium Times, you can get a lot of key niches and keywords. If you are interested in this, I will leave the link in the description and you can get 50% off on Helium 10. Link would be in the description and you can get 50% off on very first month. So this is all from me today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.